So Apple have started a new subscription-based model for their Pro apps, including Logic and Final Cut Pro. But the big question is, do you have to be on a subscription to use Logic? Here come the answers. I guess it was only a matter of time before this became a thing, but the answer to the question is no, you don't have to be on a subscription to use Logic. As before, and as it's always been, you can just buy Logic for £200, $200, you own it outright, you still get all the free updates, and you don't have to continue paying money on a subscription. Yes, there is this new version of Logic, Logic 12, and if you already own Logic, for example, I'm on Logic 11 at the moment, you'll still get a free update like you did previously. But one thing to check when you're updating are the requirements, because those things have changed slightly. Logic 12 is only available for Silicon Macs, and make sure you're on a high enough operating system, which is 15.6. But what about the subscription? Because it does actually look quite good, because the subscription is not just Logic Pro. Included in the subscription, you do get, as well as Logic Pro, Final Cut Pro, Motion, Compressor, Main Stage, Pixelmator Pro, and also included are the old Apple classics, Keynote, Pages, Numbers, and Freeform. Now, those ones were usually free anyway, those last four. But with the subscription, you get a whole bunch of extra content like premium templates, royalty-free photos and graphics and things like that, as well as what they're calling their powerful intelligent features as well. And this is known as the Apple Creator Studio, all for a pretty reasonable price of $12.99 a month, or I think it's $129 for the year. So you do get a lot for quite a small commitment. It's understandable that some people won't want to do that at all. I, for one, have already got quite a few subscriptions going on, but I think it's safe to say it is a good deal. Anyway, go and have a look on the website to see a little bit more information about that, but I hope this clears some of the confusion up, because I know lots of people have been asking about it. Okay, so that's it for now, just a short one. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.